Our today's session is on advanced email feature and composition. So as we can see, many of audience from different institutes, students, and some are from the different firms and companies. The email is one of the important thing one should know who is working in professional life. So while sending email, we need to, what are the different things we need to take care, how we can compose the email, what are the advanced email feature we can utilize while sending email to someone. So day-to-day life, if students are there, they need to send email to their teachers, their department head, and in future whenever they start their career, then they need to send email while applying any job opportunity. So email will play very important role. Okay, so we'll start our session on advanced email and features. Okay, so what is this email? Email is the way of communication to send files, some text content, videos, photos. For that purpose we use. But while working in your professional life, well, either you are working with any education institute or you can working with any company firm, so email play crucial role while working in organization. Our 40 to 50% work is on email. Okay, so when you send the email, so it should be composed in proper manner, it should contain the valid information, and it is composed with valid content. Contents are very important. Contents are really important. First thing, this is the Gmail screen. Okay, so this is the Gmail screen, and in this screen, as you can see, the left side here few labels are there, and at the top these are the, we can say, tabs are there. There are many tabs are here. Okay, so in these tabs we can customize these tabs also. And what is the purpose of these tabs? The purpose of this tab is the primary. If the message is initial send the message, then it will be in primary. If it's a social networking related, Facebook, then YouTube, or any other messages from Instagram, those are dropped in social tab. Promotions means the messages, emails from the companies or some promotional activities, those drop here. Updates means any email and you want to update on that, those are here. And these are the forum, means any blog or forum you have posted any message or email and the reply will receive in forum. Okay, few of comments are there. So some of saying it's please continue, means इंटरेक्शन इन इंग्लिश एज वेल एज हिंदी. सो मैं कुछ हिंदी में भी बात करूंगा. ओके, सो हियर यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि इन कॉन्फ़िगर इनबॉक्स, दिस कॉन्फ़िगर इनबॉक्स इज फॉर द टैब्स, दोज आर यू कैन सी प्राइमरी सोशल प्रमोशन. आपको नहीं चाहिए, यू कैन चेक दिस चेक बॉक्स, then ये tab निकल जाएंगे. Okay, your inbox will load and tabs will get erased. Okay, so here there is some arrow, here is star things. So these things are, means if any message is important to you, then you need to mark it as important like this. See, and if star, then means you start this message for some purpose and you want to work out. If message is star, then you can see that message in star here. You can see this message is start here. Means whenever if you think that "Okay, I want to work out on this message," so you just mark it as start and you can take it forward after some time. Okay, so this is the purpose of this star, and this is important. Means if you mark this, then you scroll. In my case, I have these messages are marked as all, some are not. If I want to mark it as important, I can mark it as important. Okay, so that it will quickly highlight it to you important message. Labeling is a very important part. Okay, so in label, if you are working with any institute or any company having different departments, and whenever you receive the emails from different departments and it create confusion. Okay, so while working, then you create the tabs here. You can create tabs here, and means you can create the label here. So how we create the label, I will show you how. If you go here, see email course, this label I have created. Okay, so I say remove label. Okay, and I say delete. I will remove this label. Okay, if you want to add few more labels here, create a new label. Just go here and create label. Say I want the information, say my admin email, means administrative emails. Okay, so admin email, I don't want to nest it within another label, so I keep it as admin email. Okay, so admin emails, you can see here label created. You can change the color of this label. If it's highly important, you can say audible. Thanks. As I can see, guys, I hope I am audible. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, so if you think that there is a noise behind, I don't think so, but my side there is no noise. Few comments are there. There is a, it's not audible. I hope. Okay, no problem. We'll continue. So we can see here in label, I have entered admin label. So what you need to do, if in a message, email from any administration, consider this message is from administration. So what I will do, I will just now here we can see the chat window. We'll come to chat window. Okay, how it's work. Microsoft newly introduced Google Meet. It's the same like you will do the meetings to Microsoft Teams or GoToMeet or Zoom Meet. Okay, so these are the different types things here. Okay, now you can see the start, mail and snooze. What is the snooze feature here? Okay, snooze means if you mark any email as a snooze, means that email will push the notification to you. You need to work out on this email. That's why that email is a snooze here. Snooze means the email which is, let me show you the snooze feature here. Here you can see the snooze. If I mark this, consider this mail, 6 mails, and I want to snooze this. Snooze means the Gmail will automatically send you the push notification. Notification means you miss this email, like our snooze alarm. Means whenever we morning wake up and you say snooze, means after 10 minutes you will again get the notification for that. Okay, so now you can say tomorrow you 8 AM you want to work out on this email, or you can say select date and 29 morning AM. So snooze means these emails are snooze, means it gives you reminder when means after some days you will start working on this. Okay, now again we move to new features here. Now I explore the left screen. Now we'll go into the right. Okay, so in right side here, okay, right side here you can see there is a calendar. I will explore what is the calendar, what is this keep, and what is this task. So this keep means this keep, the purpose of this keep, if you want to add some notes, your Aadhaar card, PAN card, your bank details, but don't keep the your PIN code, means the private secure information here. It is just notes, means any information you frequently required, you just keep it here. Okay, you just keep that information here and you can delete it or keep it. It will be here for a long time. Like in our mobile there is notes, same way we can use it here, right? So this is like notes. Okay, now here tasks. This is a task details. What is this task? So task means whenever you are you want to do something, so you just put that any task. So any your senior assign you any task, say prepare PPT for lesson 30. Okay, so this is your task. So this is your task, and what time you need to complete that task. So you just put the reminder here. Okay, and your task has been created. This you do not forget, means consider 10-15 tasks, so you do not forget and you mark your task here, and after completion of this task you just say complete. This task will get erased. So this is one of the best feature in a task. Then notes will come to the calendar also.